Hi, my name is Jimena Gonzalez. I am a registered dietitian at Old Bridge Medical Center. Today we're going to talk about weight loss foods. The first step in creating a healthy weight loss plan is to identify the problem areas in your current habits. This involves evaluating behaviors like consuming too many foods and beverages with added sugars, eating big portions, skipping meals, eating out a lot, eating while watching TV or using phone, or eating for emotional reasons. Recognizing these habits helps you create a plan that works for you and leads to lasting changes. It's important to pay attention to added sugars in your food when trying to lose weight because they can add extra calories without giving your body much nutrition. They can also make you crave more food and you may end up eating too much. It's better to eat whole foods like fruits, which have natural sugars, nutrients, and fiber, which are good for your body. For this reason, it's important to always check the nutrition facts label of foods and beverages. Let's take a look at the sample nutrition facts label of orange juice. First, start by reading the serving size. It's 8 fluid ounces, but the whole product contains 8 servings. Second, find the added sugars line under total carbohydrates. Third, check the percentage daily value to see if a product is high or low in a nutrient. If the percentage daily value is 5% or less, it's low. If it's 20% or more, it's high. In this case, the percentage daily for added sugars is 46%, meaning this product is very high in added sugars and not ideal for weight loss. I have seen patients lose weight by eliminating sugary beverages from their diet, which can make a big difference in managing their weight. Staying hydrated contributes to weight loss because water helps boost your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories more efficiently. Additionally, we sometimes mistake thirst for hunger, which can lead to unnecessary snacking. Aim for at least 8 cups of water a day. If you're not used to drinking plain water, try adding a twist of lemon, some mint, or fruit for flavor. You can also use sugar-free drink mixes to make it taste better. Strength training plays an important role in a weight loss plan because it helps you build muscle, increasing your metabolism so you burn more calories even when you are resting. Exercises like squats, lunges, and weightlifting not only shape your body but also burn fat more effectively than cardio alone. Eating at least 3 cups of low-carb vegetables daily is important for weight loss because they are high in fiber, helping you feel full without adding extra calories. Options like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, and bell peppers are great choices. Including a variety of colorful vegetables not only aids in weight loss but also provides essential nutrients and antioxidants. Incorporating lean protein into your meals is key for weight loss. Foods like chicken, turkey, fish, pork, beef, beans, and legumes help you stay full longer, decrease food cravings, and support muscle recovery, especially if you're working out. We should avoid fad diets when trying to lose weight because, although they promise quick results, they are not sustainable over time. They can be too restrictive, cause nutrient deficiencies, and lead to bad eating habits. For example, have you heard about apple cider vinegar for weight loss? According to studies, apple cider vinegar has not been proven to help with weight loss. Additionally, due to the high acid content of apple cider vinegar, consuming it too much can lead to an upset stomach or acid reflux. So remember, there is no single food that magically causes weight loss. Instead of trying a fat diet, go for a balanced, flexible plan that fits your lifestyle for lasting results. Intermittent fasting is an eating style where you stop eating for certain hours each day, such as 8, 12, or 16 hours. While it may help with weight loss, many people find it challenging to maintain because of its restrictive nature. It may also not be suitable for those with chronic illnesses or those taking medications, as it could interfere with medication timing. A balanced diet and regular exercise can offer the same weight loss results and are often easier to stick to in the long term. Always consult your doctor or dietitian before starting any new eating plan. You can eat carbohydrates and still lose weight. Focus on whole, high-fiber carbohydrates like whole grains, which provide energy and keep you feeling full longer. To make healthier choices, swap processed carbohydrates for whole ones. Use whole wheat bread instead of white bread. Brown rice or cauliflower rice instead of white rice. And whole grain or zucchini pasta instead of regular pasta. For snacks, choose frozen yogurt or frozen bananas blended with unsweetened almond milk instead of ice cream. Replace potato chips with sliced cucumbers or carrot sticks with hummus. You can also have slices of apples with peanut butter, a handful of nuts, low-fat cheese, or avocado with whole grain crackers. These changes can really help you with weight loss while still allowing you to enjoy carbohydrates. A registered dietitian nutritionist can help with weight loss by giving personalized advice based on your needs and lifestyle. They can help you set realistic goals, identify unhealthy eating habits, and provide support throughout your journey. So now we're gonna make a very delicious, healthy recipe, which is chili. So for this recipe, we're gonna need the following ingredients. We're gonna need 1 pound of extra lean ground beef, canola oil, half a cup chopped onions, 4 cups of unsalted kidney beans, 3 cups of chopped tomatoes, 1 cup chopped celery, 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder, jalapenos as desired, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, water as desired consistency, and condiments such as paprika, oregano, cumin, and some pepper. So we're gonna grab a stock pot and we're gonna spray some canola oil. We're gonna turn on the stove to medium heat and add our ground beef. And the onions. And now we're gonna stir this very well. Now we're gonna start seasoning the meat with the onions. For this, we're gonna use the pepper, a little bit of pepper, cumin, oregano, paprika. I'm gonna mix it very well. And the spices that we just used, we can put as much as we desire. So now you're gonna cook it until the beef is brown and your onions are translucent. So now that this is cooked, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna start by adding the beans, the tomatoes, celery, and now I am using 1.5 tablespoons of chili powder. Now you're gonna let it simmer for 10 minutes so that all the flavors can blend in. But just remember, continue to stir so it won't get burned. Now that the 10 minutes has passed, we're gonna add some water. And the amount of water that you're gonna add is gonna be the consistency that you like. Okay. In this case, I'm adding just 1 cup. And we're gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes. Now that the 10 minutes has passed, we're gonna add the cornstarch, which is 2 tablespoons. And to finalize, we're gonna cook it for another 10 minutes. So in total, the cooking time will be 30 minutes. So this is a good recipe that you can prepare in advance, right? Once the chili is done, you can let it cool down, and after that, put it in small portions in the freezer so you can have it for later on. I'm gonna grab this small pot, and since my chili is already cooked, right, it was already in the freezer, I'm gonna grab some to heat it up. And once again, I'm gonna cook this small portion over medium heat. So this is a great meal that you can prepare in advance. So remember, eating healthy doesn't mean to be eating boring, but actually it is delicious, just like this chili. So if you would like assistance with weight loss, you can visit our website at Hackensack Meridian Health to schedule an appointment with a dietitian at Old Bridge Medical Center, or contact us at the number on your screen. We hope you enjoy this healthy recipe.